Did you know in Project Hail Mary, Ryan Gosling ad-libbed numerous lines, including,
"She can do anything,"
when Grace was going through the Rocky voice synthesizer options. The team then actually got Meryl Streep to do her own voice for that scene, as producer Amy Pascal had previously worked with her on Steven Spielberg's The Post. 2. Ryan Gosling wears glasses in the film because during wardrobe tests, his daughter passed by and mentioned he looked smart with glasses on. Gosling's daughters Esmeralda and Amada also occasionally spoke for his Alien co-star Rocky through his earpiece on set. 3. The scene where Eva Stratt sings karaoke was not in the original script. Ryan Gosling overheard Sandra Hüller singing between takes and asked her to perform for the movie just 48 hours before filming that scene. Hüller agreed on the condition that it be Harry Styles' Sign of the Times, which they quickly managed to secure the rights for.